Hello everyone and welcome to my kitchen. Are you looking for a dish that's incredibly easy, packed with nutrients, and genuinely delicious? Today we are making a simple, healthy, classic, perfectly boiled spinach elevated by a savory, homemade vegan oyster sauce. It takes less than 15 minutes start to finish, and I promise you, this sauce is a game changer. Let's get cooking. Here are about 150 grams spinach. We need to rinse them for a few times under the running water. For the sauce, we need ginger and garlic, some cooking oil, and our secret weapon, homemade vegan oyster sauce. I'll put the link in description if you like to know how to make it. And this spinach is cleaned. It is necessary to wash it for a few times to get rid of the dust and the dirt. The minced ginger and garlic. And friends, I suggest that you prepare everything beforehand so you are not going to be busy. Here are the cleaned spinach, garlic and ginger minced, and the sauce, also the cooking oil. Now, for the star of the show, the spinach. We want bright, tender, and perfectly green leaves. Bring a large pot of water to a rolling boil and add a generous pinch of salt. Add your washed spinach. We are using about one large bunch here, about 150 to 200 grams. Don't crowd the pot. This is a quick process. We are only blanching the spinach for about 30 to 45 seconds. This quick dip is enough to tenderize it while keeping its vibrant color and preserving most of the nutrients. Immediately transfer the spinach using tongs or chopsticks or strainer into a bowl or a plate. And now we are going to stir fry the ginger and the garlic with a tablespoon of cooking oil. First, we need to saute the ginger first for about 1 minute and followed by the garlic. We need about 1 minute too until they are fragrant. And after they are fragrant and a little bit shiny, then we can pour in our homemade vegan oyster sauce. I don't want to waste the sauce in the glass, so I put few drops of water into the sauce bowl and I rinse the bowl and pour it into the pan. After that, combine them well, and we are going to bring this sauce to boil again. But no need cornstarch anymore because the sauce itself already contains cornstarch. Add some salt because my sauce is not very salty. You can adjust the taste anyway because I prefer not to put too much salt. Finally, take that glorious fragrant vegan oyster sauce we made and generously drizzle it over the spinach. Get every last bit of the minced ginger and garlic. And there you have it. A quick, easy, and incredibly healthy side dish that truly bursts with flavor. This method transforms simple boiled spinach into something special. Thanks to the warmth of the ginger, the punch of the garlic, and the savory umami of the homemade sauce. It's perfect as a light lunch or alongside a main protein. Give this recipe a try and let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more healthy, delicious recipes. Happy cooking!